This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing a stable mounting point and inspecting the net for tears and correct mesh size. This prevents entanglement. Once done, remove loose items from the crib and position the mattress at the correct level. Next, identify where you will attach the net, ceiling hook, clamp, or rail, and place any required anchors or hardware. Make sure to use child-safe fasteners. You want a firm base before lifting the net into place so it won't sag or shift. You now lift and drape the net, centering the seam over the crib so coverage is uniform. Connect the top loop or header to your ceiling hook or clamp, then tighten hardware incrementally so fabric spreads evenly without pulling one side tighter. Once top secured, guide the net sides down and fasten lower edges under the mattress or with mattress clips. This prevents gaps. Make sure the net doesn't compress the mattress or create folds near the infant, because snug, even tension, is how the barrier stays safe. You finish by verifying tension and gaps. Run your hand around the perimeter to confirm the net is taut and sits flush with the mattress edge. Once done, remove any hanging cords and ensure no holes or loose threads remain. If you find sagging, tighten anchors or reseat clips. If the net has rips or large mesh gaps, stop using it and replace it. Finally, routinely recheck mounts and fabric every few weeks, so the protective barrier remains effective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.